Looking for cute Halloween gnomes? Look no further. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tour of my Halloween gnome set for Procreate. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share the best ways to use the Procreate app to make money online. I am pleased to introduce you the Halloween Gnome Set for Procreate. This set contains 50 cute gnomes, specially curated for this spooky Halloween season. Let me give you an overview of the stamps that you will get. So once you purchase your stamp set, you will have the option from Etsy, my website, to download the set, and you will have a file which will end with .brush set. So that's the file that you will get, and from there you click on the file and export to Procreate. Once you export the files to Procreate, the set should appear at the very beginning of your brush library and ready to use. So as to the stamps that you're gonna get, you have 50 stamps that you can choose from, some cute Halloween gnomes, and just select the one that you enjoy, the color, and just stamp away and keep on stamping and make your creations. To give your creativity a boost, I have created a Gnome Halloween series for Procreate where I share some cool tutorials with tips and tricks to get you started. With this product, you will get access to 50 amazing stamps, as well as a PDF file with links to tutorials, or you can just subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be notified when the new videos are uploaded. In these tutorials, you will learn how to use the automatic selection tool to quickly color your designs, how to create an easy and quick landscape, and finally, how to create an embossed gnome effect. As a bonus, I am sharing a free gnome stamp from this set for you to give it a go. A link to access it will be in the description below. Now, question, I'm curious, what would you create first with this free gnome stamp? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations.